Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I'm in Bio 230. I am doing lab video number 3, movements of joints, a dissection of the chicken wing, and it is November 15th, 2018. So here is my poor little chicken wing that I dissected. The first part of the dissection was to remove all fascia and to remove the skin actually from the muscle and all the fat. The second part of the dissection was to separate the muscles from the fascia so you could see the tendons. There's a tendon right here showing. The last part of the dissection was to cut away the tendons from this joint. So a lot of the tendons are cut off from this elbow joint right here. This would be the humerus. This would be the radius. This would be the ulnar. This would be like the olecranon process right here. This white part is cartilage, which helps with friction and shock absorption. The way it's lying right now, this would be muscles of the bicep. These would be the muscles of the forearm right here. It's a lot of them. And then back here would be the tricep. This is where the shoulder would articulate, and this joint would be the ball and socket. This looks like this might be part of like what would be our shoulder muscles here. So let's see. This joint is a synovial joint. That's what we would call the elbow for us humans. The synovial joint is a hinge joint in this example. It does flexion like this and extension. This had a lot of tendons that crossed, connect the muscles across here and from over here, so that when this muscle flexes, it causes the muscle to contract and it pulls against the tendon and it makes it the bones come together. And then when this muscle relaxes, and let's say this tricep muscle contracts, it pulls against the tendon that goes over this elbow and causes extension. Okay, so this part of the dissection in between the bones right here had this very thick membrane, which is called for us an interosseous membrane. It is a syndesmosis joint, and what that is fascia that kind of connects these parallel bones and helps them rotate amongst each other and keep the distance and make sure they don't go far away from each other. It was pretty tight. You'll find these in our forearms, and you'll find it in our fib area of our body. So that is my dissection of this poor little chicken leg, and I don't think I'm going to be eating chicken anytime soon.